Hello, welcome back to another vintage hairstyling tutorial. In this video, I'm creating a very easy 1940s or 1950s inspired hairstyle featuring victory rolls and an authentic 1940s cocktail hat. I threw my hair up in hot rollers to give it some curl to work with. I'm using Dax pomade for moisturizing and holding the hair in place. The next step is to create a deep part. It doesn't matter which side. I'm adding a little bit of jam to each section to help keep it in place, and you'll see in just a little bit that I'm going to create 3 sections to create a small, medium, and large victory roll. The next step is to now make the victory roll. I rolled a section of hair halfway down with 2 fingers, and this creates a circle. Then continue rolling down and secure with bobby pins. Okay, you guys, these curtains are all in my way. There's a vent blowing them up, so I'm gonna tie them up for now. And yes, it's much better. The next step is for the back part now. You want to create a ponytail and slide the ponytail holder down halfway. Then tuck in the ponytail and the hair inside. It'll create a poof on the sides, as you can see, but don't worry, just secure it all around with bobby pins. When it comes to victory rolls and updos like this and hairstyles like this, I like to use mostly hairpins and small bobby pins. So I got this 1940s vintage cocktail hat at a flea market in Chicago many years ago. I've had it for years and it's so original. I can tell it's like authentic vintage. It's not like from the 90s or something and they just label it as vintage. Um, yeah, it's very original. Cocktail hats may come with a pin to secure, and it's extremely sharp. So I wrap it up in foil so I don't stab myself. I carefully place the pin at the bottom part of the hat, and it usually stays on tightly. It may be a little hard to see since my hair is dark, but I like how it all blends in subtly. Like it's not too showy. That's all. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you give this hairstyle a try if you own a vintage cocktail hat. I love cocktail hats. They're one of my favorite vintage type hats. I'm not a big hat wearer actually, but I do like cocktail hats. So if you give this hairstyle a try, make sure you drop a comment and tag me, mention me, whatever you can so I can see that you gave this a try. I hope it all works out well for you. Thanks for watching, and also be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, bye.